Hello and happy holidays! Today I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to make a groovy gift for yourself, for others, out of bits you may already have lurking about your house. These fantastic bauble earrings. So let's get making!
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this super fast, yet oh so awesome, festively fabulous holiday gift, all you need is a little mini Christmas tree bauble and an earring hook. So all you have to do is grab your little bauble and pull it very carefully apart, especially if it's glass. You want to be super careful. Like so. Then grab your earring hook and just pop it around the little kind of bubble holder thingy, wire thingy, whatever this is called. If you appreciate all the hard work that goes on behind the scenes and want me to continue making fantastic free videos, then please do go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button, like and share with your online circles, and let's get everyone living a more rockin' Refashionista sustainable lifestyle, because being eco-friendly shouldn't cost the earth. Anywho, now comes the kind of tricky part. You got to pinch this all together and put it back together. You may have noticed my finger doesn't really work here. That's because when I was young, I had a rather unfortunate accident and broke everything there, and it did not get set right. So now I don't really have use of that finger properly, which makes doing these kind of picky, crafty things a little bit hard. But, oh, did I do it? Did I do it? Yay! Hooray, it's done! And then you can go ahead and make a whole bunch more. These make absolutely fantastic last-minute gifts because you can put them together with items that you may already have lurking about your house, hanging on the tree, or simply in your rockin' Refashionista stash. As always, head on over to my refashionistasharia.com for loads of upcycling tips, tricks, tutorials, sustainable lifestyle, everything. And yeah, I just gave my site, my blog, and even this little channel a huge rebranding makeover. So please do check everything out. Let me know in a comment below what you think. Also, share your fave tutorials with your online circles, and let's get everyone living a more upcycled, sustainable lifestyle. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag. Plus, stay safe and stay well, and happy holidays!